Hey traders, welcome. Shane from GMT Futures and FX. Welcome to our Pro Trader Weekly training session on the 28th of April 2015. You've probably already realised this, but this is a recorded session. I wasn't too sure if I would be able to run the session live tonight. I'm having a little bit of a technical issue with some of the ADS cabling around here, and I couldn't run it on my server. So we're doing the pre-recorded session, and hopefully from next Tuesday onwards we can run them live. Either way, I'll have the recorded session up and going before we run the live session. So just also to mention that it will be a regular Tuesday session, as I mentioned. That'll be loaded into SkyPrep, so you'll be able to access that every Tuesday, and that'll be our new training portal. So welcome. I hope you had a fantastic weekend, and we've got a lot to get through, so I'll start straight away. Just going to take you through a little bit of an introduction here and an agenda. So today's agenda, we're going to be covering the new announcement board. So what we've got at the moment, because we have a couple of different resource areas, we want to start to consolidate that into the one members portal. So we're starting with a new announcement board. That's going to be where we post any announcements through GMT Futures. So anything to do with core competencies, changes to system, updates, upgrades, new releases, anything like that will go into our announcement board. That'll be in SkyPrep. The next thing we're going to cover today in our training will be market momentum review. So we're going to have a look at some of the key markets that we trade. We're going to have a look at exactly what's happening with those markets. Are they bullish? Are they bearish? We're going to look at the key things that we look at, which are looking at what type of market we currently have. So is it bullish normal, bullish volatile, bearish normal, bearish volatile, or sideways volatile or sideways normal? So making that assessment is critical for us, obviously, because we're trading, and we want to make sure that the system we've developed over the last 3 or 6 months or 12 months or whatever that period is behaving or is trading in the environment that we created in. And if that market condition has changed and we're still making money, then we need to make a note of that as well. If it's changed and we're not making money, then we need to make a change to our strategy through optimization, or perhaps looking at higher or lower time frames, or perhaps looking at another system to trade. So it's important that we do our market momentum review. That'll be a weekly thing that we do, so we can kind of keep on top of where these markets are at. Market orders. That's one thing we have built into our strategy. So we have in our strategies market orders. I'm going to talk to you about the importance of identifying whether you actually need to run market orders or you can use the pending order option. So we're going to go into the strategy and have a look at that today. It doesn't matter which strategy, because market orders are listed as an input for all of our strategies. So we'll talk about that in more detail. Viper 5, the new release. So we're going to look at why did we need to release Viper 5, what was the bug fix, and the need to make sure that all your strategies are running in Viper 5. We're gonna have a look at the top 10 systems. We're gonna have a look at an update and review of those strategies, and we'll go through and let you know what's running hot at the moment. There's a couple of strategies that are really kicking on beautifully, and then money management. Now I've got money management review, relational rate of decrease. There's a lot to go through here, so I may not get through all of it tonight. So what I've done is I've actually set that aside to have it as a separate recording for the 29th. So I'll post that up, and you can review that video separate to this, but it's part of this overall training. So thank you for your patience through the introduction. Let's jump into it and get started on our new announcement board.